Okay, guys, between the holiday shopping, the holiday parties, the holiday events, let us help you knock one thing off your list this season. Eddie, we're here back at Perkins. Pies. Don't worry about making holiday pies yourself, right, Eddie?
Absolutely.
Just come to Perkins here.
I have it covered for you. I have every variety. The only one that I won't be able to do this year is sweet potato. Anything else, I'll do it. And if you bring me the sweet potato, I'll probably pull it off for you.
This really is the most popular time for Perkins. We love being here on location to see the pies for ourselves, but they really, I mean, this is what you guys are known for, right, Eddie?
Yeah, absolutely. We do a very good job with it. We try to make everybody's wish list. We will decorate the top of the pie, everything.
Yep. And what's really great when it comes to catering or picking them up, you say you guys can come into the store and pick them up, or call ahead as well if there's that one flavor that you say, I really want to make sure they have that, right, Eddie?
Absolutely. You at least got to give us a 12-hour notice, especially the closer it gets to the holiday, because we might have to go somewhere to get the ingredients, but we will have it.
All right, Eddie, so tell me, what are your favorite pies? What are the best-selling pies that you guys are doing here?
French silk. It's got the chocolate silk, not as heavy as a pudding, not as light as a mousse, topped with the real whipped cream, ambrosia chocolate. You've probably seen the curls over there. We have a peanut butter silk for the peanut butter lover. Kids love it because of the little Reese cup. Now, my personal favorite is the caramel apple. It has the Dutch crust on top with the caramel on top with ice cream. I'll chase a city bus after the first bite.
I believe you. I'll join you.
Okay.
There's one with like chocolate pretzels too, isn't there?
Yes. Now that's got the sweet caramel silk in it. It's got a little salt in it. Very good. It's very popular. We tested it last year, and now back by demand, it's on our menu.
Back by popular demand. You know what's really cool about your pies too that I'm just learning about? You guys are going to do more of this in the new year, but pies used for charity as well. We know there's schools and different charities and organizations that sell things to raise money. Perkins wants to help. You guys like giving back to the community, and pretty soon people are going to be able to sell pies.
Absolutely. From a fruit or a cream pie, we'll sell it at a certain price to that organization. They sell it to whatever they would like. They get all the profits. All they do is bring their ticket into the restaurant. We give them the pie. We've already collected ours up front. The organization helps them succeed with whatever charity or organizational band thing they're doing.
Well, and I love that because when you walk into a Perkins, it feels like home. It's kind of that friendly environment, that take home and giving back, to the community is part of what you guys are doing.
Absolutely, especially with me, I want to make sure that we're a part of that fabric of the community. So we're, especially the upcoming year, getting with a lot of our schools, partnering with churches and other businesses, just to help give back.
Talk about the holidays too. Let's say for whatever reason you've already got your pies done or whatever. Gift cards make a fantastic gift, whether it's a hostess gift or someone who loves Perkins, right?
Perfect stocking stuffer, but also you might want to get them something as a pie, but you don't know what flavor. Come in and get the gift card. They'll actually come in and pick their own card up, or their own pie out, I'm sorry, or they might go with some of the other pastry items.
All right, so let's go over this again to make sure people can get the holiday pies that they are after this time of year. Because again, I know you guys are busy, but you say you can get it done. What's the best thing to do? Do you call ahead?
I would say call ahead. You can call ahead at the day of and see if we have it. If not, the stores, talk to the manager on duty or general manager. We'll make sure that we're going to get you on our production list. Plus, we'll have impulse sales. All by the tree will be a whole bunch of just grab-and-go items.
Grab and go, because again, let's face it, it's a busy time of year. We're so thankful Perkins is here to help, and thanks so much for allowing us to be out here today. We look forward to seeing you in studio as well soon.
Thank you very much. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.
You as well, Eddie. And again, for more information on the pies or gift cards or what else they're doing in the community, all you have to do is head to their website. They have locations all over the Bay Area as well.